mobil saya. Morning. Oh my god, thank you. Hi, Belly. Hi, Ricky. Good day. Hello, Mimi Owens. Thank you. Gandang umaga. Good morning. Good morning. Hi, Sheryl. Good morning, Philippines. Thank you for the thumbs up. Good morning. God. Thank you for the thumbs up. Who'll be a lover? Listen, listen. Thank you for the thumbs up. Hi, Gassen Mohammed. Hi, Gassen Mohammed. Good morning. Oh, where Gis ka? Wala na. Wala na. Thank you for thank you for the beautiful smile. Thank Oh my gulay! Alan Baxter. Hi, Alan Baxter. Don't wanna be a lover. Thank you for joining here, guys. Aw, 24 people. Wow. Thank you. Thank you for the thumbs up. Oh my god. Do you wanna be a lover? Oh my gulay. Thank you for the thumbs up. Thumb up. What up? What up, Pep? What up? What up? Sorry. May I ask, how old are you? I'm 40 years old. 40. 40. And you? How old are you and where are you from? Alan. Alan Baxter. Hi, Hicks Gar. Hicks Gar. Hello, Hicks Gar. You are so beautiful. Thank you, Alan. Ah, Texas. Where are you? And okay, thanks. USA. Remedios Hermo. Are you nice? I don't know. I don't know. Remedios Hermo, thank you for joining. Elsiba, welcome back here. Hello, Sheryl Filipinas, beautiful. Thank you, Elsiba. You know, you speak English now. Wow, that's great. Oh, it's okay. Thank you for the 9. Thank you for 9 for watching. Thank you for the thumbs up. Remedios. Oh, it's okay. Thank you for joining me here, guys. My God. Put up. Are you rich? No, I'm not rich. I'm poor. Look at my place. Look, if I'm not rich, my place is not this. Oh my god. Obviously, I'm poor. Do you have a wife? No, I don't have a wife. Because I'm a wife. My gulay. Are you rich? Oh my god. Hi, Golden. Thank you for joining here again. How are ya? Good evening, America. Thank you for the thumbs up. So, darating ang hangin sa likod. Gagaling sa amin. How are you? I'm fine. How about you? How are you? Thank you for thumbs up, guys. Thank you. How are you, Golden? Thank you sa nag-thumbs up. I'm good. What are you doing? What are you doing? I drink coffee. Coffee. Coffee in the morning. Breakfast. No breakfast. Coffee. Yeah, I drink coffee. Where the food? No food. Thank you for watching, guys. Thank you for the thumbs up. Thank you. Hi, Insan. Hello, guys. Thank you for joining. Good morning, Cheryl. How are you? Good morning here. Good evening to you guys. Thank you for joining here again. Daan lang while di pa busy. Thank you. Thank you, Insan. Thank you for 22 million year na. San 20. Mohammed Rubitan. Good morning, maganda. Good morning din. Kumusta? Pa-thumbs up. Salamat sa nagta-thumbs up. Thank you so much. Salamat, Churan. Salamat. Anong gawa? Ay, gabi pala dyan. Rest di mo bukas or ngayon or kahapon, minsan. I'm Singaporean. Welcome here, Mohammed Ridwan. Thank you for joining here. Welcome, Mohammed from Singapore. Greetings from Philippines. Filipinas. Why so ganda? I don't know. Maybe just on camera, but in real, I'm not beautiful. I'm not that beautiful like on the camera. Here, I'm not beautiful here. And some busy now. Let's see you later. See you later. Thank you so much for joining. God bless. Yes, you're maganda na masarap. Mao lang yan lahat. Maganda na masarap. Honest yun. Parang pagkain yun. San Rodrigo, welcome back. Passing by to say good morning. Wow. Good morning. Good evening to you. Good evening, Brazil. Greetings from Philippines. Coffee delicious. Pure babae sumasarap. Ano ba? Muhammad. Sarap. Good morning, everyone. Good morning from Philippines. Thank you. Hope you give the thumbs up. Nano birthday? Ha? Nano? May sponsor kami. Sa simba? Lima-limahin kami. Andres, ano? Lima-limahin lang ka mo tapos ka man sponsor? Oh my kulay. I love from Brazil and Filipinas. Thank you. And thank you. Thank you. Kulay. Sandara, hello my friend. Hello my friend. San darating mga salita gagaling. You're so sexy, sexy. I'm sexy. I'm sexy. Oh my. Ooh, like, subscribe, friends. Okay, thank you for thumbs up. I'm sexy. Oh my. Thank you so much, guys. Thank you, Rodrigo, for joining here. Oh my god, very good. Hello, everyone. Hi. Sensation. Like that. Thank you, 7 million. Thank you, 7 MGB9. Thank you so much. Thank you so much for the like. I'm sexy. Oh my. Uh, Done. Died. I'm sexy. Oh my. Done. 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 To click on screen, like, and subscribe. Thank you, Rodrigo. Thank you so much for supporting me here. My god. Thank you for my uh, go for a like of this stream. Thank you, 7GB9. Thank you so much. Where are you from? We're from 7MGB9. Thank you for supporting my channel. Thank you. Thank you for helping me. Thank you, guys. Sixty, oh my. Thank you, Rodrigo, from Germany. Wow. Welcome here. Welcome here from Germany 7 MGB. Greetings from Philippines. I'm from Philippines. Welcome here to my channel 7 MGB from Germany. I'm mi corazon. What corazon means? Corazon is here. Corazon is a name of a woman. So I'm not a corazon. Kumusta ka? Maganda pa din. I'm fine. Here, I love Filipinas forever, you too. Thank you, Rodrigo. I'm sexy pa. Mabuti. Ano totoo mong pangalan? What is your name? Are you a pure Germany? Or half-half? Marcus. Thank you for joining here, Marcus, from Germany. Too beautiful. Thank you, Rodrigo. Thank you, Rodrigo. I'm sexy. Like and subscribe, friend. Okay, please. She deserves. Thank you so much, Rodrigo, for joining me here. I hope you always join me here. Cheer me up. Cheer me up. Thank you, guys. Thank you for supporting me always here. God bless you. You know, Quirky, Lily, or Luxor TV blog. I don't know why. She's your fiance, Quirky, Lily, or I don't know. She's your fiance? Oh, who? I don't know. Top model Filipina. Top model? Top model. I'm getting a model. I think I'm being a model. Oh my god, charot. It's a joke. Thank you for the 10 people joining me here. I have collaboration with English people in my YouTube channel. Really? Oh my god! What's What's a good job? Maybe that's a great. Wow, are you blogger too? She's coming from Philippines and living in Germany. That's great. Wow, good job, Marcus. Filipinas, welcome to Basel always. Thank you, Rodrigo. I mean, she's your fiance or friend. That's great. Lunch invited you. Okay, thank you. Thank you for inviting Rodrigo. Thank you so much. Can you give me a food? You come. How I how I come there? So, are you in other channels live stream? No, no. I'm not joining other live stream because I'm busy. So if I have a time, I do live or I make a video because I have work. Yeah. This is your channel name, Marcos. Okay, see you later, girl. Cute Filipino. Okay, thank you, Rodrigo, for joining me here. God bless you. Don't forget, like my friends. Okay, please. Thank you so much for your kindness, Rodrigo, for joining me here and helping, supporting me. God bless you from Philippines. Yes. Okay, I will subscribe. I will follow you. PCB, PCD. Are you doing live stream? Hugs from Brazil, everyone. Thank you, Rodrigo. Yes. Okay, I will join. Maybe yes, because if you live stream, I will put the bell for so it notify me if you are on the live. Thank you, Rodrigo. That Milibig. Fine. I thank you, my mother. My mother give us food. Thank you. Oh my God, I have a food na. Thank you. God! Red. Really? I think I give you subscribe in other live stream channel. Really? Oh my God! Thank you, Marcus. Thank you, Marcus. Thank you so much. How old are you? Too old. How? Why too old? The kidori. Over 40. So what? 41, 42, 43, 44. It's not old. Age doesn't matter, you know. I don't know. I don't know. Oh my God. How old are you? Tell me. We're friends, you know. We're friends here on YouTube. It's okay. It's fine. It's fun. Why is fun? Why? Why? Hit that like and subscribe. Thank you, Colin. Oh my God. It's not too old. Aray. 42, it's not old. Oh my God. I'm 40. Me, I'm 40 years old. God. That crazy. Yeah. It's not old. It's okay, Marcos. Who say you're old? You look like in your 20 or 30. Loco, I have wrinkles na. Oh, the wrinkles is coming on my face na. You're not, you're not 40. I'm 40. Next year, I'm 41. I don't believe. I don't believe. Why? Look, my skin looks sagging. Look, oh, it's old, my skin is getting old now. We're birth certificate. You have 30 subscribers. Thank you. 3,030 subscribers. Yes, thank you. For a 3K. Thank you, Golden. I got to see this. Thank you. I got to see. My gulay. Aray, oh look, I have a back pain na. Oh, sometimes my leg is getting pain because too much walk. Yeah. Oh my, 30, yes, 14. Yeah, I'm 40 now. Oh my god. I have food now, golden. Ooh, looks so yummy. Mm. I have, oh, I have ano? Mm, 13. The flowers. Si beautiful. Hi. You. Um, mm, 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 mm. Other than I need family numbers. You're getting a family number? Where your mother? My mother's is on the other room. But a warrior, a word. Huh? What? Do you have some that you can back this up? What? What it means? Back this up? I don't understand that. Sorry. Can you say it and easy to understand, Golden? Other than I need a family number. uh, are my family, me, myself. I have a four brothers and we have five sisters. So four brothers and five sisters. So we have nine siblings. Golden, and it she is. Ask her if this woman really 40. Yeah, I'm 40 years old. Yes, it is. Yeah, my birth certificate. Maybe, but yes, you can ask my cousin. She's my same age. She's also 40 years old. Since your birthday. Sure, but okay. Thank you, Golden. Alay ba ko? Ano is that? Ano yun? Wait lang. Oh, wait lang. Hi, namaste. Wait. Wala lang. I'm sexy. Oh, ah. Buka na? Buka na? Nagkukupot. Nagkukupot. Gusto mo pa, oh. Ano? Gusto mo pa? Buka na. Hindi mo na, thank you. Sorry, suddenly black out here. But the electricity coming now. Oh my God. Ah!
Kukulog tiyan ko dun.
Oh my God, thank you for the likes. Wow, thank you for the likes. Thank you for the likes, guys. Aray. Atay. Sign of aging. Ang sexy. Oh my. Kaya ba, ano? Sign of aging, you know. I have a back. Exercise. You doing maga. I want to have a big butt, you know. Oh my God. Oh my God. I know that you want me. Wish we never met on the day I got it from me. What? She's got them all. Yeah, Tim, put me in the corner. Sorry, the lowest is 1 minute. Oh my God, Sheryl. Sheryl, you lost 25 people because you're not paying attention. No, because I blacked out here. They don't have 30. Oh my. Oh my God, Tim, put me Oh my God, what happened? Thank you for the thumbs up. Ano, I, wait, my eyes hurt when I on screen the phone. Maybe I need eyeglass because it's been so much screen, too much on the screen. I'm sexy, She got a moves. Thank you for the thumbs up. Oh my God, Ethan thumbs up now already. I can't believe this. Why leave? Hi, Jerry. Si Jerry. Hi, Irfan, Sam, hello. Team, stop timing out. The king. The king. The king of... Aray. Araran. Oh my god. Thank you for watching again. Welcome back again, people. Sorry, the connection is bad in past few minutes. You let me inside out. Oh, I love. Ouch. Oh, 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 oh. Gab, ano na ya diyo? Wait lang ka lang so na ano. Pawit-wit ka na naman. I need massage. Ano na yan? Piklo pa na. Oh my gulay. A kiss from Turkey. I will soon be the king of the Philippines. Wow, Jerry. The king of crop and just think I was about to give you a jacket. But you thought you were in charge. We will bring you in front of the jacket north in 6 months. He's from Turkey. You're from Turkey. Bird, not bored. Nerd. How did I think I was in charge? I was only joking like always. Not a good day. You never have a good day. Lighten up, bro. Oh my, Jerry, now you think you're so good. Oh my god. Gary, like, I subscribe, share. Thank you, Gavin. What am I doing wrong? Didi na ayaw na doon, didi na, Gab. Yan. Oh my god. Thank you for the thumbs up, guys. Thank you, Golden. Thank you, Joy, Golden. That. I need massage. Body massage. What? Janus Gal. Hi, Janus Gal. King of Philippines, that's what Gori is. Thank you guys for joining. Bicep, bastos tao gali. I was kidding. What don't you get? Very, very nice. Thank you, Janus Gal. Very, very nice. Oh my gulay. What he think he is? Black me if you really feel that way. I get it all. Yes? Huh? Madi pala madi. Wala pa gabati ko share. Ha? 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 Narong daya. Okay, no, I said I never will. Oh. Narians, hi, Hakana cause. Hakana cause. Hakana cause. Hakana. Oh, Hakana. Naren singing Nisi. Naren, hi, Naren. Uh, Hakana cause. Why are you crying, Hakana? Where are you from, Hakana? Hakana. Hakana, where are you from? Ouch. Turkey. Welcome here. I'm from Philippines. Ng mga salita. Good morning. Mok Istanbul, Turkey. Yeah. Thank you for joining here. Thank you so 12 likes. 20 likes already. Mok Mok Tatapa. Ang hirap mag... Ba't ganun yung mga pangalan? Good morning. Thank you so flowers. Gagaling. Jesus Christ, finally. Why? Hi, Jamie. Thank you for joining. Hello, Jamie. Jesus Christ. Why Jesus Christ? I'm from your age. I'm 40 years old. 40. How about you, Tatapa? San darating ng salita na gagaling siya aking sinta, ikaw na ang tahanan mundo. Thank you so much. Same to me. I know that you want me. You should make on relapse. I am loving you. Mokataba. Ang ingay naman. God! I am from Nepal. Okay. Welcome, Mokataba from Nepal. Greetings from Philippines. I'm from Philippines. So loud. So loud here.
Meow, meow.
Thank you so much from
4 rupees.
thank you for sa ang kulit. Thank Hindi ko na lang sabihin ko eh. Thank you for 10 people here. Thank you so much. My gulay. Thank you. Just get up, get up, get up, get up, get gas.
Lugi ako dito.
Masakit. Masakit. Katotohanan.
Black Black
Okay.
At bahoon.
Sino ka?
Dili.
Ay, tama yun eh. Ano mo? God. Oh.
Mahibad kita.
I'm old enough. Like Google for more. Thank you, Marcus. Gagaling na sa cellphone ni Mama Igab.
Wala.
Full na ada ini.
Kanina pa yung bati pulo na.
197. O, diba? Dati dire yun ako full. Thank you for watching. Ang sakit. God. Jamie. Oh my God. Jamie. What are you? Thank you, Marcus. Um, you have the moves. I saw you dancing with your two sisters. I believe that you are twin. Believe me, I was having no. It's just not my. It's just not the twin. It's the same as me. It's only me. Oh my God! No, it's not my twin. You won. Lol. Yeah. Mm. I felt because it's the screen. That's why. Sorry, I need to change the place because the ano, uh, not good the ano, for the eyes. I think I need to. What are you eating? Enjoy your snack. It's breakfast. Bread. Bread. The bread have the sugar on the top. Thank you for the thumbs up. Thank you for watching 20 people here. Thank you so much. 16. Mm-mm. Sorry. Sorry. Sorry, mate. Ow! Yummy. Yeah, the bread is yummy. I know you have a shirt, but they don't. I have no short. Today, no short. Look, no short. No short.
Okay. Ayaw mag-siya ako ng Ano na ako?
Mhm.
Ano man na?
We're from Sheryl. I'm from Philippines, and you are from Sunny. He is thinking between your legs. That's why Jamie says yummy. Huh? I thought I thought maybe it's the bread because he asked what you're eating. I said bread and it's have sugar on the top. That's why he think yummy. I'm from India, honey. India. You are Indian from India country. Yep. Okay. Nice to meet you, Sunny. What you eating? Bread. Bread with sugar on the topping. Yes, main is mine. Can you share it with me? No, I give it to main. Mine's so no bread now. Sorry. Ouch. So sad. You can buy your own bread. You're old now. You were looking for some coconuts, and I think it was beautiful too, but not sure about that. What did you do with the coconut? The coconut? I like coconut buko salad. The salad. I love it. Are you doing any jobs or something else? After the live, I'm going to work.
Hindi ko na naisip.
Sorry, I can't understand. I said after the live, after my live streaming here, I'm going to work. I have a job. Yeah. Hope you understand. Oh my god. Tanda ko na talaga. Sunny she works. Which job there? It's like a government, a volunteer. Ding, volunteer. What time is it now? Oh my god, I need to go out. I will subscribe your channel, honey. Thank you for subscribing my channel. Thank you guys for joining me here in the live. Thank you. It helps me a lot to know. I need to end the live because I need to work. Thank you so much. God bless us. One day you will give me the recipe. Better you cook that for me, of course, if you want to. Thank you, Jamie. Yeah, if you visit here in the Philippines, I will, I will give you the Filipino food using the coconut milk. Thank you for joining here, guys. To the neighbor, Jamie never. Thank you for joining. Hope you come again in my next live. Thank you. I need to end the live now. Bye bye. Love you guys. Thank you for joining here always. Thank you for supporting. Thank you. Bye bye. Dada.